In the next video, we will have left Apollo Bay, continuing our journey along the Great Ocean Road. So this is the last chance to give you some information about the town, plus a few photos. The township was surveyed and named Middleton back in 1853. However, it wasn't until the 1870s that housing blocks became available for people to build and move in. Now, at that time, or around that time, that they renamed the town to Cranbrook. But it wasn't until 1898 that it was finally given its current name, Apollo Bay. Now, that name is the same as the bay it is on. The bay was actually named Apollo Bay back in 1845, when a schooner sheltered in the bay due to bad weather, and the bay was then named by the captain after his ship. Very, very selfish, I guess. And the ship was called Apollo. Anyway, today Apollo Bay has a population of around 2,000 people and is a very popular tourist destination on the Great Ocean Road, with a nice beach, wooden carvings along the beach, and of course it's a great location to explore the area.